Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we are featuring a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette that's black with black aluminum wheels, 2LT and Z51. We'll start here in the back here. I got the trunk open. I can show you it has the cargo shade. We have the black painted removable top in the rear. Just show you underneath here. It's nice and clean under here. We have the front license plate bracket. We have a compartment down here. It's got your books in there for XM satellite. We have a cargo net, and then we have another compartment as well down there. I'll go ahead and shut this. You can see the black paint. This one hasn't been polished yet. We haven't had a good wash on it yet. So I just wanted to show you. It has a nice circular Corvette taillights. You got your dual quad tip exhaust. And this one has straight pipes. So the mufflers were removed on this one. But we do have the mufflers that come with it, so they can go with the car if you like them or not. It does give it a little bit of louder noise without the mufflers, obviously. Here's your rear wheel. Again, they're painted black. They look really nice. You got the Z51 brakes and red brake calipers. The tires are Goodyear Eagle F1s. Up front here, nice red calipers, your Goodyear Eagle F1 tires as well. Coming back to the door panel here, I'll show you. It has the Cashmere interior, which I think looks really great on this black car. It does have dark tinted windows as well, so you don't really see the interior until the top is down, the windows are down. It has power locks, power windows, and a Bose 7-speaker sound system. Scanning over to the dash here, you're going to see the Corvette embossed script in the dashboard here. Dashboard's nice and clean. I don't see no cracks. I'll go ahead and open the glove box here. In the glove box we have the owner's manuals, and we have our key lock for the lug nuts. Go ahead and scan the door seams. Nice and clean. Here's your nice skid plate. Little bit of scuff in here. Not terrible. It's a black car too, so black shows everything. It's going to show you every scratch, right? Okay, coming back to the carpet here. It has nice cashmere carpet and looks nice and clean. I'll scan the seat here. It has 6-way power seats and manual recline. These are the luxury seats, so they're nice and plush. Very nice. Good shape. Close that and I'll show you down the side here. Those black wheels really look sharp on this car. Get your black mirrors. You got a nice side vent on the fender there. Got your high intensity headlights. Scan to the front bumper here. And we'll come up to the engine bay here. It has the nice Corvette logo embossed in the hood cover. And here we have a 6-liter LS2 V8. This one produces 400 horsepower. Engine bay is nice and clean. You can see, nice and tidy. And I'll close this up. And I'll come back here, show you the seams. Looks like there's a little bit of rain marks on it. There is a little bit of minor scratching along. We do have some stone chips like here that needs to be touched up. Like I said, once we get through polishing this car, it'll look a heck of a lot better. We'll do our best to make it look like a #1 car for you guys. Front wheel here looks great. No curb rash or anything like that. We'll come back to the rear. Nice and clean. Coming back to the driver's door panel. This is a 2LT, so you can see it has the memory seats for the driver, power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, your electronic door release, and your Bose sound system. Coming down here, showing you how clean it is in the door jambs. Again, some scuffing on the door sill here. Kind of what you expect from a car this age, and in black. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sit in the car here. This one is a 6-speed manual. Fire it up. Neutral. Okay, on this side of the car we have our vents. You have our dash dimming lights and your heads-up display. I don't know if you can see it here. There's your heads-up display. You can change the modes, change the pages, how it looks up and down, and then your brightness. We have our headlights on this side, on this gauge. We have tilt and telescopic, that's manual. On this side we have your washers, and then your telescopic is manual on this side. Looking at the dash here, no dash lights on. Let me change the information here. So you have your driver information center. Your mileage is 35,919 kilometers on this car. Looking to the mirror, we have a built-in compass. You can see right there, we're northeast. It has the light sensitive mirrors. On the visor here, we have a universal garage door opener. There's your vents, your hazards. It has a CD changer, an MP3 player, and then your radio controls. Down here we have our dual zone climate control, so you can change the temperature for driver or passenger, and then your climate controls down here. It has heated seats for driver and passenger as well, your ashtray and your cigarette lighter. Here's your 6-speed shifter, cup holders. We have traction control on the side. Here's your console here. I'll open that up. And you have a socket in there as well. Just show you the carpet here, nice and clean. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rev up the car. Sounds nice. Straight exhaust. Okay, we'll come to the front of the car. I'll show you what the headlights look like on. Headlights look good on this car. Nice and bright. Coming down this side here, you can see the condition of the paint. Nice cashmere interior on the black, like I said. Paint is nice and shiny. And then our tail lights lit up. Look great, circular lights. Take a moment here. Sounds nice. Okay, this is a 2006 Corvette Z51 2LT with the 6-speed manual transmission. This one here is here and available at munromotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.